Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a computer and a cable, so I'm gonna right away connect it. There we go. And once it's connected to your computer, you will want to turn it off, so let's pull down our notifications, extend them, and tap on our power key, and then select power off. Now once the device turns off, when you click on this again, you want to then immediately start holding power key and volume up at the same time. Vibration will basically tell you that the device is now off. And once you hold your power key and volume up, and you don't see the Samsung logo up here in like 5 to maybe 7 seconds, let go of those keys and start holding them immediately afterwards. And from there you should be booted into recovery mode. So there we go. That is how you boot your device into this mode, and in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate. So volume down will go down and up will go up, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Let me quickly just wipe that down. So that being said, with navigation, let's quickly go into the things that we have. So we have reboot system now, we have reboot to bootloader, which either turns on fast boot mode or download mode. Now I'll actually check it out in the video just so we can see. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off the device, or repair apps. And as you've seen, like I mentioned, you navigate using volume keys and you use power key to confirm whatever is selected. I did want to check out the reboot to bootloader, what it actually boots us into. But if you want to leave this mode, you're gonna stick with the first option, which is reboot system now. That will take you to Android. So in this case, bootloader is actually a download mode. Anyway, for me to actually leave this mode right now, I'll need to hold power key and volume down. So I'm gonna do that right now. And there we go. So when the screen turns off, it automatically boots back up. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and I can just unlock the device and continue using it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.